Okay, I'm having this problem after my truck sits at for any period more than like 3 hours. Here, I'll try and see if it'll do it right quick. Alright, this is first try to start it after sitting all night. I'll crank up and then boom, done. And then see, nothing. But if I sit there and do that a few times, better. Yes, I do know that my starter is running, but it's the only way to make it crank. And see, it'll crank up for a little bit and quit. And if I give it gas, right on. I think the key is just like priming the fuel lines. I think it might be like fuel pressure problem, but don't really know. See if I just leave it alone. Go down a little bit, and then just stay cranked. See, I'll hit the gas. Fine, it'll stay cranked. Be nice if anybody would help. Thanks.